Okujeto mu sitting no and then me sika no ma hwe say Okujeto as a chairman fine but sir baby village ne course no dey we emotional and passionate about it na sana ne ko nsuansi the conflict of interest will come in
but and no so na was say ka onya the temerity ene
minister na
akoma obetimi edimedi ide
because asema na opon kroma ka o kai say time no papa Okujeto abra kwa de betu dwa say MPP aban ayi military fo nyina
afi wa ma omo nyine omo ho
free point baby
enko baby
consequence
asem na Okujeto kura ka say soldier commander na ka asem baby ko say commander ya friend no
na ka ne ko be chire
ko say wo commander
yo say commander no na board na mane
wo ko kasa asem
now one share
that commander must be called
the commander and the president cry
the chief of defense
guys CDS met me my commander no watch
asem ba na
asem na serious Debio what's it?
Enrade ya na okasa say.
Enwan
commander no na catch no.
Say when you call say
omufri o.
Ene commander omufri ni musa.
Na say asem kese
we wan share na say commander you betimi reprimand no seriously.
You betimi akoteki roster na huni
na. Why na frɛ wo catch no say. Oh asemba no atobo.
Oh, Ebasana, you are following the
maybe issue ni said the banter was uncalled for and unnecessary. One, now, Kojo Ponkumasu fee say or no introduce you insincerity, and he was insisting say your government was insincere. And no say so kasadia. Also so a baby asma okekan no. That was insincerity. And also no at the deflection. And what a red herring and a air but says a party sem no de say yes will be bear party sem they will cry they will change. Now what they have done an opportunity on the metro or the committee way I opportunity obey me so there a bulldoze in the way every MPP a go MPP anymore say now no upon kroma on trauma on fa and also say now wakano on train sign
omumienu na brade no na ehia asam na bogti amukotena ase amoko
wait at the end of the day it was a banter on unnecessary banter
and housing who nsama na person kenya okra obi
akra ntibio
because of the course
the media always pick the sensation
na so media there no yeah gatekeeping now baby I'm talk I want yepe
and you know as a chairman say wunya that
ana Okujeto so ntiase say in as much as I your chairman no it does not mean say I'm the chairman. I decide when you want. When
you show so much power.
When you don't talk.
When I don't. I ask you when you talk. You don't talk. I will be on your pala. Say nothing upon commercial. Say only age group. Only one national radio. So they are they. Only no parliament. On Fia Bontin Eba. He's a cabinet minister. And no so trauma just say chairman kakra family rerano. I don't Okujeto so how dare you? I'm the chairman.
I'm a chairman.
As a speaker the enemy.
As speaker I'm the third. I'm the third in command.
Was it the president in
the second third so to me second.
What's the one your second?
That be a third.
Oh third.
So catch he say chairman say who am I? I'm the third in command. Now Obuana President device ni wa on e.
Say ono say wanya mampanyin bi da o. O say na e ba fe no ho no.
Obi antru kwan.
I very say. Okay,
on so di mampanyin.
Now ka say bibi say. Na dem ka say bibi mi bon.
Na be si na.
Mi bu so say. Now ka say bibi wa say.
E be si na.
Bibi who back be say.
2 days kura da.
No mo ko no baba no assistant bibi e. There be who be say if it was an NDC MPP speaker.
Ankodi Chief Justice no asuen in best 2-3 days be. But wait there, David. No be a wo kra wo nya ni na wo say we the second in command. Never cast away be man panyini. Hey, oba na mra wa hihya ma one day no kra wo ntimi so. And you want for the many.
Okay, my name is Joseph Obenjo Chenkomo.
Uncle Obey.
Say a dollar no emu apeja 16 mark. You're Obey me watch you.
So
now pom to say.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, that's all ye dollar for bosome mienu mi ensani e peja ni mu a se adru 16 adwadifo ekokra ne ma be di bronya e ba se ya na mo ahokyera bana aye hwirenhwiren di esem na mo ka mo ne aban kitahudie te sei anya saa bi enu bronya no ebi mu kra no kasa ahwa na adru 20 e ba se ya na mo dwadie ho nsem te sei
yo but ebi no mo se na adru sei
ebi mo se ahwa December kwa bia na akodu 20
aha enti wona asem no so aye you should be speculation
that's right
the Oman no say you na be me ho $20 and so no me am use the ni na me ni penny time so me $1 no one somewhere be very careful ko ya na me say me ka asema best fear and panic because I'm out for study can we do 20 no come on then panic buying setting
okay
what na ya na am for to no this it be central for ne what more amukasa the dollar ya na exchange rate once me o munye careful
okay
because kwaba ebeba biwie ye ni ya the fuel the best of akese na you for Timamufo to a Tony man so asofa. Because anyway, you have speculation play role.
Okay.
The panic buying in this CBC Kim. What they mention the PR by Yegibu. Since you are the PR pretend book a crowd to send a wild cry, you know. Yeah, let's start it. Yeah, Christmas, you know, yeah, could be good Jan Hongikano. Definitely demand the number cost of Kaka. Na, if you are known a pushino, Ama Abasea. We should manage the speculation. But me abai when the chef is where you know or yene kese pass so na pan bia wo be faswa obetimi di ability say Ade no be bia ye do stability no ye betimi maintain so ye free BBC yes to stay in stability no we be say Ade na basro and so abasro no e de ke e jina sa ayen for a longer time. And all that business thrives on stability of the local community.
That's right.
You see, already, as I buy a 200 or yet, you'll be Piansabaya and Koso. Now, it be Jina for a longer time. So, almost me, man, for them, and my former intimate baby Jano for a longer time.
Now, what that Romao, another alleged situation, so to say. Nigerians no so almost na say they are struggling with us in Ghana almost $1 no minim mo kromu mote wasem e wo kashi ho
openi na me so nyame na bidi kai ni betuja is that the whole baby what they call archives no na say don't let the effects of the forest crisis in Nigeria trickle down to Ghana. Uba, a big message I'm the man it is. Because you will that indication Nigeria food cano say you know that be 12.6. After we are there 12.8. 12.8 is not the day you know information we buy because now you wish almost to do no move na will be my life. So Nigeria may be about $1 3 million. To no forage will be 20,000 of one no so we are no at all. And all I'm a day at the to you know newspapers say I'm buying a best or do a ship or bit me a year. Cross border trade of money no dear. Oh, yeah, no, yes, you have to say, do Tembia, the jail for no near, you know, to me to be back. Now, what I said in Nigeria, economy no is it here no. One so it is one crisis. Now, what put it toward there? What is with you no more and also no your work problem. But in that, you know, the young managing speculation.
Okay.
Answer my scano answer.
All right. You're right, Joseph. I'll be made out of pay. Uta penny akasapa. Also, most of the time, the boy over here no na a lot of the increment artificial because business and commerce thrive on speculation. And when I know on Tiase, a CEO of a multinational company bet me resigning. Now stocks on the market decline. Ometima Faobi, now stocks are peja. Obeka say na CEO de fa na djuma. Omo hwe CEO no ni nyuma wa ye ni brebi ni ade a. Omo nyina hu say sa CEO we ye de Maryland Chenensa and say Darling Chenensa obetina mo ebe peja. Stocks thrive and exchange thrive on speculation. And on I had cry Tiase. And I ain't Tiase or Ghana Hanoma. Send people will position her. I don't know. You don't move this or Muyobi. And this will position her. And a dollar. You don't move this or Muyobi. You can't do dollar politics and go scot-free. Uchu Mutaya, the foreign exchange will expose you. Apologies, Baumia. Good morning to you, Ghana. Many I want to say.
I don't want.
Maybe I will call.
I don't want.
My team are not paying from Kennedy Digital like us.
I'm not going to na yedin check some bibiara. Nyamede enadom na oti Sompa FM 93.1. Yes, why you hear TV no? Sompa TV. Na anopedi biaye di wura. Kennedy asheye. Biaya enye friend home appliances ebuso amanipa na ne bo ne work from to the extent say sika keto bi ekro bia no ubetumi de atobi na oman me so say obiara wanya akwanya ho TV ni bia numbers na e wo screen so no de opese wo fa bia ne fa ne kene ninkita ho say home appliance nko anwadwene na etete wa brabum etete wa setenem say bede ne menya TV bede ne menya fridge na sika na ekura me esua Kennedy yase sika na ekura no say a ketwa bi mpa don't hesitate the here ne say obeba ye na share ho adum family plaza bed in the first floor from Sanebra and can phone ye dey ni be che wager old barrier oman kokro bite junction traffic light na sepɛ Frabosano na de bra honum patas ya wadum house Kennedy junction Frabosano de bra na wura ho na ka cho mo se misika na ani o TV we na mepɛ omo be yia ma o de sika na ato ho na fa ko baby because Kennedy de bia metase say ye de bota yi nyina ne se ye de anigye be hye nipa afum eno manim na de bia nipa na ma na ni ma ne serious de bia because am se nipa so wo sika wo na ma cha so utumi se wa kan sa no che se u gina brand into waiting na Kennedy de geta se la ba se o ma plans nko anwa dwena fra Kennedy ahoma no bra Kennedy ahye ho no na bo sika keto na ekura wa so ntimi to TV no obetimi ato ma na bro so obetimi ato air conditioner ma na bro so obetimi ato kettle obetimi ato iron obetimi ato blender ceiling fan stabilizer ni deep freezers ahodo obetimi ato ni nyina bi de oso no de washing machine open o ma Kennedy ahye obeje bi ato wa so bi mo abonya problem obi si bi dem top loader me automatic me front loader ni nyina ba Kennedy a ebi o ho no ma ebo ni da form a f4 a esan ye papa obi so me de nya se me hia washing machine say washing machine ho adwendwene e na de aba o hu de wonya bra Kennedy ahye obi say media me here woofa pa me de be simi dem na me de tie Omanhene morning show e was
ajijim gum that's right
e Sompa FM 93.1 me tie Omanhene me so back Kennedy ahye woofa ubli nyina bi ho no ma kama obi simi dem me per sound bar the best this year na ba ne da so fefefe na me so me de abonwum na me de tie Omanhene e was Sompa FM 93.1 me so back Kennedy ahye ni nyina bi ho no ma ebo ne da fom ya tete bo no so wo sika keto bi ekura no uba ubetimi dia tobi mesoro na bese di tudwa no ye se nyame adom Kennedy asa create adwuma edi amanipa amanda bia metaza meka Mrs. Abrabo aye boy se wuni adwuma ya na wasem no ye ka se ka ho asem ye timi kan bebrebe because obi ni adwuma enti oni ni nya problem obi ni adwuma enti oni ni manya problem obi ni adwuma enti it se fie kura enya ni ka fie nya de Mr. Kennedy say ye adwuma ho adwendwen na ba utima no pay na wo de wo su ni de wo de wo so be so ma ye friend adwuma wo ni benya sika na Christmas e bay wo so ye kwa watima kobia ka wakoma to yem and the mensem pa me de ba tudwa afa adwuma ho no tie na fabi ne bra Kennedy aso na adwuma ko ye create ese de bo Ghana man asanteman ne wi asema nyina na obi atimi ne sika de gubutum no ye wi a bra Kennedy na de bra beto ne man ye Kennedy na bo so de ko ye adwuma ye sika bebrebe na obenya na wo so abrabo aye boy wo so watimi dia boy ho bra be se ona me so no e na wo screen so no fa de obetimi afa bia no de obetimi afa bia ne fa o fe Kennedy a oni be din kita kama o man na pe ameka se obi sise yɛhyɛ premiership na se yɛhyɛ La Liga na se yɛhyɛ all footballs ase nko hia decoder ɔde bɛhwɛ mesrɛ yɛku decoder ho adwendwe a ka wakoma fa to yam Mr Kennedy yakɔfa decoder sini nyinaa bi aba obesu sɛ media medical bɛtɔ bi dado na kwan a mɛfa so a mɛ recharge me decoder no ɛna ɛyɛ problem uni problem bia ka fa telephone number no fe Mr Kennedy o fe ya ye be recharge decoder na ma o de o tifie o be tane say recharge ma opa o be oni be say decoder o football no enam so ɛyɛ adwuma o TV no ni nyina ɛbɔ adwuma kama na ma no bi kro bisa say ɛyɛ adwuma bɛn na yɛ create asa na be kɔ so no Kennedy ye delivery services nationwide baby awo bia no o fe ya adekodi a o pe say ye TV na o pe ye de be ma no enra fridges ni nyame adom tabletop double door deep freezer hodo ye yi ni nyina bi e wo ye branches ni nyina entu pe fridge ni bi ato akọ o pe tabletop ni bi ato to o pe double door ni bi ato akọ ye branches ni nyina adum family plaza building enkan wager old barrier kokuro bite junction traffic na se patas ye wa dom house ken junction from sande ko honum ene obo so nyina nyame adom ye yi bebrebe e wo Kennedy ahwe ya ye de abegu no mas ebo no e da fom obi abetima to bi o ma ne number se ni dwa ne de to dwa no number se ne ye 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 and a Vodafone so ye 020 765 3031 020 765 3031 now man ya say so wonni adwuma ya wasam ya wo mamamu ha o manyame ado Mr Kennedy ye create adwuma ye de Kennedy fufu pound machine ye de Kennedy meko machine ye de Kennedy bro machine ya we e big time business emrantie emabawa enketesia enkokora emerewa enkora obia tie soma ne miadom edamadwuma we soma obi enye sika de bɔ no ho manane oman ma mi bi e wodi cham so na menini kodi komo kakra me ko amama na so shopi na de na se fu machine uni bi ha no oh kamenya bia campaign mama bra Kennedy ase ho no ne betobi ma me nya me na do ma ba Kennedy ho no mo beto fufu pounding machine man ene sika ma me onya no enye sika ketwa because Ghana ha etino man obi anim se fufu die pa de ye fe ni agro kumaseman Ghana man asantema wiaseman obi edi fufuo na obi edi fufuo na nyakopon nam Mr Kennedy so o man nim de nya sase fufuo no ye mfa ya ho ade ngo ni tim na ho ade na wo de ba fufuo ni mpo no ewen ya me na Mr Kennedy so akofa Kennedy fufu pounding machine ya eye dwuma kese me serew brabe tobi ne fa kosi wo petomu ne fa ye dwuma and kase adwuma ni Ghana the only thing you need to do ne say obaba Kennedy ahye ho oba say me pe Kennedy fufu pounding machine bi na me de kwaye adwuma na me so manya sika na de obukura ne say obi say be me wona kwa wa metimi ma ye delivery services oba say o man fufu pounding machine bi a fed numbers no e was 020 765 3031 o my dama ti tudwa biem 020 765 3031 o man and a Vodafone MTN so say 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 obi so here Kennedy fufu pound machine bi no ma de make be susu ni men ko ba bia so ko to fufu pound machine bi o pe the original ta coffee buy of fufu pound machine e di wo fufu ni e di adwuma ati sika gu obotuma Kennedy e ko fa buy enti o pe papa no ya wo beto ebo ni da fom ya wo to wo nsanya problem ba so ado ni be tene Kennedy ahwe na nyame ado mo bia ni say o man fufu de e di kwan na edie ye di nkwan na edie so o man enkwan ye di atoso de na ye di je ne nto sakika do mako ene ye di eti Mr Kennedy fufu pound machine buy no o wi no se da bi yen sanfa machine betimi da yam akika do ni je ne mako no ye betimi da yan bebrebe enti me kan fo mo toba afo no nyame ado Mr Kennedy esa de mako machine so ba ya eno no mako dudu obi apeso yam no man e be yam ma nya do dudu obi apeso yam no e be yam ma se de apoto wi ma da sign ma o se we de doors wo beto mako machine bia enti we toba o ye restaurant e ye nkwan different ye still different obi an san nkwan de ya je ne wom ento so makom enti yen so nya mako no dudu na de gu machine na ye mama kama yanso ya to fufu pound machine bia ye de adwuma no metia no pay me kan fo mo se beto meko machine bi na fa ka ho na bo se e ye adwuma kese o ma no me kan fufu pound machine mo bia bia o Ghana ba mu ha bia no beto Kennedy fufu pound machine bi na fa ye adwuma na o mo se fufu die be ye simple na de kwa se adwuma o ba na adwuma we no se mfa ho se wo ya akokora oya brewa oya brantia oya ketesia oya kura obia to me adwuma we bi oma the only thing you need to do ne say ube tobi na wo de asi ufie animu na oma no watefa okonya na watena ho na wakati obi asa ha Kennedy fufu ponde machine bo ha brabe wo na obi abewo a oma no bagi usika bra kwaku be wo no ajusika anti be wo no ajusika enti be bia wo bia no me kan formal Kennedy fufu pounding machine or my say any business also. Baby obia into your MPs, your ministers, your DCs. Oh, be an initiative or constituency. Oh, baby, I will be ana. Mr. Robert Toby. Chama man for na be akọ ma wonti me omusika. Na dey dey kwa so omo so mu pebie talk otono e bonus da form. Enkrafo nya dey ni wait old barrier man. Kokuro bite Johnson traffic light.
That's right.
Patasia Wadom House Kenny Johnson. Edum family plaza building no. Number say the two that emfa say baby awo o feya ye de be ma no wasumdiem o wa chiri ani kan ni kita ho obi so me abadwuma ni na me hia bi kwan be de me fa so kan dey see no problem brayase o hodum for payslip e no gana card pebra o ba se me hia fufu pande machine bi me de komo me ma me ni papa wa kura no mo de ya adwuma e bi de bia mo musika wo ni problem o ba for payslip e no gana card pebra ye de fufu pande machine de be ma wo de akoma ma me no mo de ya adwuma nya sika na wo so watimi da bo mo bra no o ba ne no be se de tuba no location here dum family plaza building Patasia Wadom House Kenny Johnson and can wait the old barrier Kokuro Bite Johnson number 0244 385 128 and 020 765 3031 family plaza building baby abra who no machine bi ho o to make sure say what you receipt na receipt na what the stamp na set no e Kennedy digital seller o man tie say home appliance what you be ma company be re okoto ide no
Kennedy digital seller
I'm a shop
so my brother hey ya Dr. Mesa wa hano mo every bidrofie
Some crona na meetimu. Enya sem foforo bia bio. Na obi onim Dr. Mensa ho asem bia nim se wura we de ye ka haban ho asem a haban kasa wote. Te said the work na haban kasa mete.
That's right.
Said the ye can radio ho asem na say yen ka kwan e fa so ye interview pa to nipa no de a Omanhene Yaw du Boakye we nsi nchen yenye yi.
That's right.
Sa na Dr. Mensa ma hotedin de Dr. Wonder no so we misi nchen e wo bibiduro mu a yenye yi. Da bia ya meta aka sa asem we si say empanifo se yen kwete aduro mu la no ane ahahan.
Eno ano no a.
Na hahan no so yete na obi a onimu no wontimi nkofa haban bia say yesi enkofa drum lentie me call ya
haban so wura
sa haban so de di bia yo se o ko yesi yesi tikuku anasa akola bi pon ahwene enti mo nkote haban mra na yemfa nsa hwempon o call ya abonso akokote nyankyere ne haban okukum nipa no Omanhene wate ase o kwakodi awu because nyankyere ne haban emfa ho ba bia ne sebe eduro ede so de enum se nyankyere ne haban ede twitwi waduro ne nsre ba ho ma ne ye white ena afi ye won haban so ye de so ebi ne gu akuro ebi ne kwatema ebi ne tumurumu ebi ne sebe haban bebre ne ye de so but wo kofa haban a ye mfa nso de koso a wakum nipa wadi ewu no enti Dr. Mensa ho asem no ye kase ye kanisezi adaje bebo ye enti me yekɔ ne post de poso kakra miwia na me de machiri kwan atodwa na wo mo anyame pe wo ma age wo mo no wo ma hwehwe Dr. Mensa ma hotedin de Dr. Wonder no machiri kwai na maboa wo mo eni kasem ne se Dr. Mensa heba kreneke no nyame ama enimudia ama wasa advance no de bia nimudie ni bia beka ye ho enu nti obi asabe obie na no sisi a Omanhene yenyine bedwane afiri ase nyame ama menimudie se dangerous pa me se oba kora wo no obi a wonu mu bon enu mu kankan wo de hye bia ni ho obepe wasem da including your wife and awukunu se wonu mu bon a yale fon enso so na no na nyame ama menimudie Dr. Mensa wo na duru eni nyame ya dom na se ye wie na afre no mba na untimi mama so ye kora na ya betimi ayen hihye bia wo se ye ne de aduro ni bia pin ba bia wo bia no
ano right
wonu kankan ni nyina se betuo se be me mu hunu bia wuda na ko wafa ho adi ano no e na Omanhene ye kan nipa pi na tumi edi wo machi no emma wo mo kwan se wo mu nyeyi e wa brabom eno so ya de ehu yie pa sa de we efiribe bosumi nsiani e na maka ho asem wo Sompa fidie so sa da bia meka ho asem se wo ye nipa nyame abowo ye bibini te se kwasi me sate hayi na wo ye adwuma bia enye yie wo tale ana waye wo disi ana pem sa nipa wuti sei no me sro emfa ne tra sa se wo anya hwe be yi ha na ka kire wo ya de wo baako mienu miensa sa na ti a find solution ade bia ade maniji abrofo ho no so ye dwumade bi na se dwumade a wo ye no odi nkan ayo na anye yi na wasa ayo na anye ne third time no wo mfa ne sa mesro me mfa ne sa tumi a edi ni pagchi no a e fe ne sasa no ehu pa enu nti na kana no se ko ba se obi kora diawu ana odi nsamoni bi a yesi da bi nipa we wo ye bibia anye yi sasa bi di nachi enti ene ne mo me ka me papa ka kire me o ka kire me se ablanti bi ma me ne mo na sasa di nachi ne papa sasa di nachi em se ne papa ko tu mfumu tuo owure ma e kan nipa na ma wo wi enti papa ne bibia anye ye ma including ne ma nyina na wo ma pro enti me sro si e ka sasa ho asem a e yade a ehu pa e betimi abasa o ye oba o kofa ba ma bi ena be ma ne na okoda e ne hon tansa a na se sasa no abeyan ukom enti woton aye nto oye bibia enye ye usika semu nyina be ma bia akora be fa no sa de wa besi ho sa de we nso ye sasa be ma bi wo ho nso a oba bi na ode ne ho akoka no na ode ne ho kaka no no ametumi abedi nachi asama enti oye bibia enye ye
Dr. Neto Krobia na ewrem o
David ye kan
tumfo amuntie no
uko wura tokro bi mu asem bi beto a ha
ko to premier ni kireben awa abati se noko ye je
loko se ye fa ne je enti mesrawo obi a wonu obi adi ahia na afi wono manyina se no tumi bi abedi wachi a emma okwan aseto asoko wonim ni nyina ne se gi se odwale saseduru na ode wo ho na wo ka ne se na obi te ba bi a na wo se na ye ne Kristofu nzo ye be de ye dwale bi ti asama America kiro ni yie se wo ye chinyejefo a wo nche me kwasi mensa Brebia na odifo Elia omo si asoda Elisha omu si asoda na obi akuma firi to nsuo mu no eya haban keke wo no tetu nsuo ni na kuma no firi bae wo kan Ezekiel 47 verse 12 asem a de bi wo ho no ma wo ka chi de nipa nyame se munni dua na ba na ha no mo fa nsam ho yale enti ha yede ya no ma bebre bra David wo ko emusuo mu no nyame ma wo dwale adwela ha ban ma wo
fa adwela nware
na ne honte what ya say enti ade bia ebe nipa ho beto no sinti dua na sebe sasa ana tumi boni bedi na chi no se nipa no without ahaban ebetimi ate wo ho ama wade wo ho no bibia ni ho no ma betimi ayama na yeye enti mesra o sasedru amaka ho asem amani abere a da bia meka ho asem no edi nipa bebre nya Omanhene edi nipa pi na nya e wasase so edi da meka ne se wo ye oba wo ye bema wo ye manager wo ye adwuma bi galamsefo onkwa wo adwuma wo ye ya onkwala akwala ye ya onkwa wo nye ye nti wo kora wo musa afi Oman wono akwaje concession wo ye adwuma ne nkwala na eye bie no omu yeyi omu tudi but wono amu ahia no eye serious enti da bia me ba akora me ka se Ghana akora ye hia se edware sasedro
de hia pa
Oman ni hia so edware sasedro because
ase de tamia wu ne
tamia wu brane atuata ne Fatima haban what is haban bebre me keka bom na me de mama wu afa egualu
pre president bi o se
obi ala biala na obi ejali
ye gu helicopter ne sire
ye ko peche Ghana sa ne nam sa ehia papa
my god
enti me de number na etudwa
atudwa
baby awo bia na ofre ne a untimi makola ye delivery service
okay
ebetimi de edura bro na ye soli nso mi firi ha me kokotwi na bibia e ha obi a oban bibia ontum li camera fa na ho mekere me yale ne de mintimi mo bodin ha Omanhene yale pa de me kase me bodin ha omo ehwe me ne omo etie me na anim de Dr. Mensa timi yo e mema omo furu oma dwere gagu fom a omuntimi nya hwe no obehunu Dr. Mensa ebitimi aboa wo
okay
number edidi dwumade edi kan 0244 92 12 69 0244 92 12 69 and I was 027 11 73 551 Oman de eka ho bie wa no so ye MTN ye 0532 92 80 95 sa homa we na wo pusu a wona Dr. Mensa Herbal Clinic fo bedi nkomo na de ni kan se obi ho no mo a wo fra na line na aye busy enti 0244 no last number na 69 0244 921269 no eye WhatsApp
okay
enti wo wesa bibi kakra bia na dia fa WhatsApp line ho no na wa send aba wo send ya bo se tetete na yi wa no se wuntimi ma na de aduru na bro se wo bolega so wa brochire na nse wo ma hena brochire fo no nkromo wo mo wa brochire no wo mo da wo hwa nkromo bebre bi ko wo mo ya adwuma 24 hours na no so stress nti e ba sa ya obibi e fe ni tikuku etimi de bre wo mo emma wo muti no ekwan bedem oda abetia ne kradadadada no hwa nkromo sa
na the fear hey
if you were ma wo ne wo enti mesremo asempa wo hoi
etia
eye tie asese bobanim Dr. Mensa kasa wi ye kasa enche pi mi soli mi de mani kirem e wo kotwi ye ni Guinness depot no ne di hwani mu wo de ne say Dr. Mensa yi mate wo nkan na ba bia me wo bolega do ho a enti bintimi ma wo ho enti kwa be na abefa so abeboa me wo man ye be yan hyehyeye na ye de aduro na ma delivery man na wa send wo sika na ba ho ana ye de brɛ e na wo mo ma no so num nu bone no
anse bra
wo mo ma num nu bone no ano so ba Dr. Mensa ho no mo ana se wo frɛ ne a
ye man e true
ye be man e duro ama se ya wo se ni nyina o ma ye to bi twa nti ma wie de nya me pe na je no no
obekɔ Dr. Mensa party. His Excellency the former president to say the EC should be up. Please, can I have the video of the former president speaking about the Electoral Commission?
Registration. The Electoral Commission opened the register for people to go and inspect their names. I'm sorry to say there's a lot wrong with that register. The EC has to set up so that we don't have any confusion on election day. The EC is an important institution in us having peaceful elections in this country. So if the EC commissioners are listening to me, you better wake up. You're not doing your job properly. A lot of people cannot find their names. Other people's names have been transferred without their knowledge. People have registered for proxy without using their biometric cards. People who have done multiple registration, their names are still on the register. And we are Electoral Commission exhibition of voters register. Na me catch you say about no ebeya asumdua ejina omo. If you say omo be register no, enyoma pi atosing this register no. Nti omo hwe akabeye bosom miensa ne ato aba. Sa register no so omo hwe no omo popa nu na omo ye ni ye. Send a bay as Adano, and far when to be a man. Because Obi register police station, Okoho and Idiniho, yet in Idia share different police station. Nasadana, Obi near Brea Oko Tuaba, no Ako police station, Oko Churodi, near Casa Udinima, Ebufo Emma, Nadabena Obenya Emre, and 1990 police stations, Ako Hesse Udinwo police station beer. Etina make us say almost sorry, no munyo mwejume ye. Na abatwe ankoye bibia yempe ye NDC 4 years asumdwe for ye pese ye to ya bane asumdwe enso ye ntna se emma obi nsisi ye Electoral Commission
okay no e wo hebe to twen komo kuje to black one so ne kojo pon kroma I just say
we want to create the impression we should also move away from this, may I say, posture where we want to create the impression that some persons care and some persons don't care. You introduce the word sincerity.
Your former colleagues.
That is not correct.
We will not have a banter here.
That is not correct.
But for the record, and this is my committee. You don't come here and dictate. I'm the chair of this committee.
You have asked me a question. I'm responding.
And on the matter,
the word insincerity.
yes, and on the matter,
I'm respectfully submitting to you.
You will be well advised. You will be well advised. I will not take that. To suggest that I am using this position as a bully pulpit, you have to retract that, because that is not what I'm doing here. So, Chairman, I am well within my standing orders. You have to retract that.
Chairman,
you must retract and apologize for that statement.
But it is okay. It is okay for the chairman of the committee and the committee to accuse the minister of being insincere, of deflecting without more, and I do not have the right to answer or to say that I share a different view.
So you think that it is okay that for a whole year, fellow citizens are living in a tent?
We can have a conversation.
You think that it is fine?
Chairman,
you think that is the best as leaders? We are all leaders.
That's a conversation we can have.
You think that is the best we can do for our people?
No, Chairman, that's not it. That's a conversation we can have, and I think we've legitimately gone through that. But if you choose to accuse me of insincerity, of introducing red herrings, of deflecting, that is not about the people. That is you accusing me.
Of course, because we are not...
If you are accusing me, I must have a right to respond.
You are introducing matters that are not before us, matters that you have your facts totally wrong.
Which matters are these? Intent on helping to bring relief to our people. I do not believe that already 115 and then an extra 1,010 units will be in the works. I think it is fair to comment on a delay in the process, but to suggest that it is the doing of a favor,
it is because of the attitude.
Totally that is outside the scope of what we are discussing.
Yeah, the government response has been below par. We built our houses in 6 weeks. A whole government, the resources you have. It's been a year. Honourable Minister, you will not be allowed to be evasive on this matter. We want direct responses. Is this acceptable? You people are not addressing this matter as a national emergency. We are talking about a disaster.
Upon Nkrumah took offense to the chairman.
So we look at the issues. First, the EC and the National Democratic Congress. Share and near member who say Electoral Commission, voter register, provisional on the abroad, no near my baby, and Chaye, on penny your mama and Nanuatum. Honorable George upon me much. Now, pom to say,
Yamiadom.
The parties. Was any mammy chew no pay? Yamran, don't say Ade Akye. Etino, non or chair pound meted, dear son. And to meet do no me, oh dear. Beyond the stable.
There be honorable version who see. Mammy, cheer or her phone, what tea for me NDC penning for. Yadin Chastro Kunsu free, such a from plains at the brow. Hajia Afra Nazira, Obatampa. Osimen Kancho say, Odawasi. Tamancrophobia, Avia, electric post, now more this school, I see a more ye a dryer brunino. Sompa TV, sorry, Mutimi career, Magana for whom Sebe, Abra, MPP 4D was such a from plains. The Yadamasi, who also expose you, Musa. Omanhene, Electoral Commission. Ufi heya and ye bet naka say, I dream Bonintin and Anado, or the appear henny, akotna. EC computer no appear here Jumani Bina and Ede Diame Yina Yehuno. MPP Tescon patron computer lecturer na ye fani free sunyane Edenokotna Electoral Commission IT department so on the main computer na nimno ejuma Edenoko yeso onkoye no oye.
How do you know say appear here na yes
ejuma? Adamenya director of special duties.
Into investigation just say appear here na akoye ama dewa we nyina akoso.
As I'm speaking to you now, ejuma kunkwa ye the nipa 3017 akoka omo register no without their knowledge.
Omo anyawe.
They don't know where the people did the transfer from. Omo nimbe bia omo ye transfer ni. Onim the strategy they are using is that secondary school for na ye koye transfer ma omo school mu no. Ye decided to send them to places of our choice.
Then how are they going to get them to go there and vote?
Oh, say 9 people for only more. So one to amount. That is the MPP for you. It's not about Nipana Yediaka Hunu, but it's about
the numbers in the register.
Yes. So that one the Omunim Kwaya Mofas or Motomani Pawama. Bafi me catch rom in C. So it's not as if say Ebia in Hubia and I say be binting the year. Sounded alarm bells so and then no yen twen say voter register yes bonfama ye dada but it should have been given to us about 3 months before the exhibition ama it was a day to the exhibition as an register ever.
Is that what the law says?
That is not what the law says.
What I'm saying and what you are telling me is that what the law stipulates? It should be given
to us at least 2 months, clear 2 months before the
exhibition.
Okay. But MPP for Nyamu, more than 3 months.
How?
Yes, because they were using the same register to go around to check people. They appear only boss no.
You are giving wild allegations.
That is the duty they are doing there. They link the MPP database to the EC database.
It's the MPP for Nyamu.
Yes.
2 months ago.
I am telling. Then if a register ben an MPP before they call run etiquette taking Crawfordino. Register ben no more use. Their agents were going around with register. Register.
And you kept quiet with this.
That is why we were making demands. Who said anything you can't say you be holding the exhibition ransom until they give us the register because we wanted to cross check with what the MPP was holding and pass your cross check here. It was the same thing they were using. Over 50,000 dead people are still in that register. And only 50,000 in definite too and counting.
Bavuseni, 50,000 people no. I want said yes or Boakye free.
Oh, me.
Because the Electoral Commission cannot wake up one morning. No on conjure say Georgia won't be in it free.
That is why you should have given the register earlier to all of us. Yeah, exhibition, you know. Mm-hmm. Part of the exhibition they say you better identify say nipa A, B, C, D. But the previous ones na any dear. It is supposed that nipa na ya identify should have been deleted.
Okay.
So why do you re-add them?
So you see 2020 register and say nipa omawu no.
I can just say omudia free mu dada ni.
Now why the boy is yi na city so obiawu.
Na me tell say we exhibition for 2020 election all those things will be identified say A B C D and nipa omawu.
You are free.
Yes. Those ones have been carried forward. Yes, I don't know. Ukubeko Tamale South, ya transfer ni pani BF free Tamale South, the omoko apa. Neka for muko Tamale North cry. From Tamale South to Pusiga, Apa East.
That's why on to Aba.
Can you imagine this? Now the Nipani BF free here, 3,000 people who do amako go ejumako just because you perceive 2 or 2 for us.
No easy na yesa.
Na sema me kan untema say. Me say dia apia hene ne bossman asare te ho ye no. Omajuma omoyama MPP no.
Well, I'm not privy to that, but that is what you are alleging.
Me say about how on earth say transfer time ni dru ye no. Nipa na omokoye register no. Omoko register especially students na yakoye yema omo campus. They should have gone there to the electoral commission and say listen, me register wo Ade Akye University. But meto maba or drop so transfer me call drop so then you take the person's card and do the transfer. Electoral commission one kasa won't na ho en kase me hwe wanima Fuseni me hwe wanima
Ufrida Boya
antino me do ko ho. You don't do that. That is illegal. And that is what we are complaining about. Those are illegal transfers. What am I say? And that is recipe for chaos. Because that day you drew her, and yet a Kumewa Batua na say a Jiswa Batua na IGP aswa police phone in Abeguho. Police station it could be just one police person. Imagine say nipa be say 10 aba, 20 aba, omudi nim, electoral commissioner, electoral officers from Mobeto. That is the confusion the former president is talking about. Uba me precious baby tisem pantanjo. I drew Omanhene Timika Semasa, Sadia Munshwengu no obi ambe yini de. Anu ukofa police ni wai. Kroni nyina sarande with nkontimba ukofa police ni wai. Voter region, deputy regional secretary, the police station ni dini. So the irregularities are not just mistakes. Some are deliberate Jeremiah.
You don't see them as discriminatory.
No, mind Debbie.
No discriminatory.
No, because ye kase ye de atu force in beko akotum. Ye bibia senke ye de ne betum ni akoba election. So look at the gap at Atu Force's constituency. In anticipation of a by-election, to share that yes, I transfer to her. Think he said there was going to be a by-election. And a japa. And then the Omoye and Oman me are reversing in them and I be dead in it. And then I can Omanhene who. Obia sorry, and a Jimensa is just a figurehead. Omo tete num ne srebo num ne apia hene num bosma omo na ti computer ne nim ye niema omo wi omo dia come on dia ne say ye the camera ne microphone si ho no akasa no asore ko. But they should be careful. Because sebi May 9th enye Ishmael Adogo na de ba yo referee ye for say wendi ni yi and the May 9th by. So NDC MPP will not stand up say yeah polling station akokuntokwa. No, it will be the conduct of the electoral commission. And you who beba.
Okay.
So they should be careful. Yes, Nanado na appointee odie, but think of Ghana first. Nanado na mukure kofi. Ono appointee na mukure kofi.
So for you see a clandestine move.
They should stop the MPP work they are doing at the electoral commission.
They are doing MPP work.
Yes. M1 it will not end well for us, it will not end well for them. But it will start bad for them before it gets to us. That is the warning we will give them. Seriously, Omanhene. And this is where we expect
election.
Who bang? About where the basic JT across the 1-on-1 crowd about me luzu.
Really? What the ever go see Bantama crab will be lose. But now it is about some of these schemes. And these schemes don't end well. You can't toy with the will of the people. They shouldn't try it. And one will be here. So, Christian Council, Muslims, Catholic Bishop Conference, the Council of Ulama for Muslims, Peace Council. This is where you should be waking up to, not forcing us here to come and sign peace pact. This is where the triggers of peace, any Omanhene Yaw. And if Jane Mensah says she's a true Christian, this is the time to be a Christian.
Jane Mensah in the post, Electoral Commission post says the register is credible. And then they are ready for 2024 election. Almost say Ghanaians should ignore. Claims it's not fit for elections. See Ghana for Emongu say Obise register no, it's not fit for purpose. For election 2024.
Imagine say
I can't say
so imagine say
but on the 6th of September they are meeting every party to probably clear the
imagine say nipa 3,000 I dey akoka adwumako for her without their notice and knowledge. Imagine say even 100 kra mistakes what do you think will happen to them? One, they didn't go and do actual transfers. They don't know them in the constituency because free constituency now school baby now registration at least they should know you. What I say? The means of voting here either from there or resident there. And I'm a either you are resident or from there. And I say free baby now person say the about Okruma is easily done. Now wait there. Nipa ni any process be a course so the and say ye de omaba free here nipa nim. So Omanhene, it's a serious issue we should deal with. Ashanti region bebre a lot of gerrymandering is going. You're pushing the free and carry near the omoko. Your friend is saying near said pushy from Boakye near the Akwa support Edujama. We know what they are doing. Domo Yaw tepane mankazu nina. They should just be careful. Adienu mumi nyina yenye ni yena asumdwemra. Because this time around, it is not going to be that easy.
It is I don't know. For the NDC it's a done deal. You've won the elections.
No, not that never true.
Sir.
That is never true. So sooner we born at form no. Who kuracha osuna ojina ho. So it's not true. Yes.
So you are not being complacent.
Never. Otherwise we would have ignored some of these things. We are not. We are not at all.
But the bottom line is you are winning.
Whatever they do. Omuko suruba form. Omumra sombe kofi.
Okay. Baba on chain. I'm so 2 minutes more for wrap up.
So for me, Omanhene, munyina munkabi. Ashanti region ha. Yinim niema ekoso. Munyina mu form anuntum na prepare yen koso. Yinim penifo okrum ha omokasa obi atie. Mamu ntwen mane nkoya ansa. You see, ya say asedu ketia ka bibi say de ono no tutuo ni de yen ka se waye bone. Me na me react ni de yase me mom na me mpa asundwe. Ade ne de ono no bom asuma me susu mi ko react ni de mon ka chenso no so nja asumbo no. Brebre ama. Amani. So they should start talking to them. Yes, you have the state power, but the state power can never be stronger than the will of the people. So we should all be guided. Omanhene, the say, what's why a Juma for a Juma why an bra? What's the watch $1 share prison? What's say one ma a cement Boakye form, one ma petro Boakye form, one ma Ghana for what or mo brana be catch the Ghana for. Na Ghana for now so mo ho ato mo ene omo ko to sebi akoko fosu akoko force ane ye ton a box 160 and ye ton 420 nti kona ko kire mu kire abrante na oye fried rice ne say ne fried rice no cost chain NDC breso no nto abama we ye ntokwa we ntokwa be na wo simple and short enkane na sabi utwem akọ ufri kumase ekọ techimaya yensu ye okwanso nyina kama ene kona ko hwe yensu ben kani bebia ne yenye galamse ene ho nyina ye galamse se se de ekwan ho kura even opposite district assembly wo konkran osino district assembly ni etwa galamse on the other side
we ka galamse de asantuma wura tu ahemfo ne bi
onya wie kura
sabronum jase ene ahemfo mienu ya tu omo na DC no nana misroma ne kakra
na say DC
for no south DC
party here
the allegations I be told Jana in the public domain say ohine no baako a etu no was DC excavators me and waji 50,000 each, you know. I'm afraid for him because
party here you are afraid for him.
I don't know. He denied vehemently, said but when it comes to politics and issues like that, we are getting closer to elections. Early days people will push for Serbia, but
the government himself is complicit in the galamsey. So
okay,
why do you fight it?
Honorable Judge upon Mamema also 15 minutes.
Omanhene.
Meet you.
That's it. Na mencha otie for no ahwefo nyina kan ya de hia o mohwe free kwabre. Na mencha His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the next president of the republic. Na mencha ninua Matthew Opoku Prempeh. And then nyame adoma awie Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh anope okọ adwira ofiri ho a obeba agona sechere south ofiri sechere south a obeba kwabre east.
Oh, okay, that's what we see our tiasi kumasi
what achakra akwatwema ponu wa bia and all that oye adwuma sisi a ya maame Samira so and I'm the torchlight obone there era Bawumia and so them baby bone there Matthew Opoku Prempeh also the gospel of the MPP, the bold solution, you know, and also almost the name. Inti yema ye nuanom NDC for no. Omo tran kwankwa nuase. Omo form sam form afuru so. Na omo enom omo nsanfu na omo fa ase ni mopu. Na omo nye omo ani enkeka omo nsam na omo mosobo na omo modern. Register na omo ka ho asem no. Register for Frubian where they got to about Ghana how. And one they got to about MPP, they got to be, NDC, they got to be, CPP, they got to be, or make a count, they got to be. Now, say, Penisu to me, Oswaw Nema, and Pimpi, you know, or the show cashly. And ordinarily, Yera Mahama somehow can say, register them from so say until you see ordinary any bad call. I ask them papa. Now say electoral commission so did say register no send from so ni mu a and confirm to was obi amra mehwe ne de be hwe udin and from so ewum bibie wum bia ne hwe ni siesie eno emra ne de aba na unim ade NDC for ye asem bia NDC for be ka bia e bosrem ka na omo etu infuturo gu amanfo ani keti akromfo otu botom no pa akromfo onwa tu botom ayi fon o yi sika no onwa diwachi na kromfo no esa pa akromfo enti the brebia be hu say NDC is talking about anything bia na ya omo na ye na election no enye election a eya abanwea say o kotena baabi ede ensem bia keka be win this election we yo Ghana for ehunu MPP mfie dunsia ehunu NDC mfie dunsia ehunu do bia betimi aye ehunu bia ansa no adwuma omo ehunu Yewura Bawumia wadi vice president mfie enan a wo president man medi president ena omo ehunu Yewura Mahama wadi mfie nan ewo vice president educator president asa be di president mfie na ehunu nsa no adwuma ɛno ne yɛde kɔtoto ho side by side na yɛde akɔkyerɛ Ghanafoɔ na Ghanafoɔ ahwɛ ho na ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwuma sɛ ɔmo bɛma NPP atoa so anaasɛ ɔmo bɛma NDC aba ɛyɛ ntɔkwa biara nim ɛyɛ simple as that na mmom you don't prepare the grounds for your failure.
Who is preparing the
NDC is just preparing their grounds for failure. You see, they know very well that omo akofem omo hu adwuma akwan a omo hu no bi. So omanfo eniema aban na ye hospitals a omo hu no bi. Say e fa the sports a say stadium a omo hu no bi. AstroTurf a omo hu no bi. Eyenkane a omo hu no enti omo hu adwuma aban na ye ne abasobo a omanfo de bo omo enu nti ena ne omo hu ni say the election now omo kon they stand no chance of winning enti say na tie there then let's call the referee so bad in the event that we lose then we are portion blame all strategy Yewura Mahama can the same thing when he was during the 2016 elections said the NPP for Charlotte say we are trying to call the referee bad so that we
Jane Mensah.
Yes, no Charlotte say at the time.
During that time, Charlotte.
And now when him.
Now said that time you did worse to Charlotte say.
You see, opposition be ordinarily will find means ade bia we say trust issues. Ade bia we bia wait and can they would up I am per se one day. Now boss Masal and papa ya oboni bi say omo na
apia
awo de omo te computer cha den ya be ko omo si delete omo awu afrim nanke ya hwe de be sikuruma. How on earth would easy be able to do that? And routine the exhibition at all. And do call Drobonso no. Unim Drobonso very well. Kwesi atawu, eje Yakubu awu, Boakye awu, we awu. Na de ni nyina all the list no call. Now omo ahwe, then they clear all that from it. And then what a Sompa studio. And na say obi e kan say enipa be de wo mu nyina di wo na it's whose job to clean the register. Some man for obi a mebusuani anko say mebusuani we say we a the name will still be there. And you want to say this ye wa sudie as political party as oman next year be ye de esene fata no. Why na ebetimi aye say adwuma and embra bia makwan na you see bosre mu ka wo mu nsemu no edoso opa me fa me time aka nyina ma no no won kire which provision says say be voter exhibition na yemfa register amount 3 months and sign your exhibition which provision in the CI 91 as amended 1
but that's what he said 2 months before election
and one trade
the provision be any
offer provision my meaning into the I don't want
that quoted it
I don't want to say
no but EC can there should be a CI
according to the CI that is
so which provision in the CI?
Give the register to the
CI 91
before exhibition.
CI 91 as amended 127. Tell us which provision says.
Name provision that's your work as a lawyer.
You see,
and then me said the lawyer the count so
no. Na me na make catch Jane Mensah the timetable better ho say me release register mamu at this particular time.
Grant so kan kura. Grant so kan say me the mamu 3 months to the time.
He said for 2 months to the time. That was what he stated.
For some reason, a delay it has come late. Do you say you see Anna and Brandon say young farmer you 2 months? You don't misquote sense.
No.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You see, register na de kwa akoto aban e you bia so de esi e behwe na say before ntena se e ma register na ne ma bi nso nkoboni wom e ma ne nkoma medie yenso yehu na ye beka yehu emfumso bia wo ho a yenso so ye de betudwa e na isi no so yenka se isi de bibia wo ye bia e ye papa e fefefe enti ye no bibi ntimi nkonti aye na se ba isi a ono obi e ya adwen ana se ususu say obeboa anawe anka mo be opposition 2016 said the suspicion of MPP was that Charlotte Osei was in bed with the NDC and the same thing they are doing today enti ye ho ye adwuma na adwuma no so na eku eboa ye say na wonu obi Azuma nurse na ka say I'll bring my own referee
Only na general ring him one ball pet team one that from no referee no there no be there ya obe kire say wa win referee bi a yakohwe ball bi wo ba bi na referee bi kana consem say okọ ba bi ko di match na omo home team na ye ni good tina owadwen say kakwan bi so no be favor home team no against that way team so mo share boy ya si kikiri midfielder ni nya ball back or center ho ba bi opia so 1-2 shot pow
yeah sure
net na wo so ba bi original ball shot ye say asembe na wo ka fa
original center la shego
omo ko e corner na corner bi ko na omo winger bi apagya ball no akwa ni frechire non stop pow
na dem
na net na wo so goals and crofnation ba akukura ni wa yo mu bibie yeye na omo ono ana mu dimnika o ka kire omo midfielders na monko mu pool no na defender ba ko taibo mu da call home team ni pool no ball ni drop no obo pe adan afaneti akwa na pim
anya du pool
and see fem mpo
waje
penalty defender ya ba wa punu to okona ni mo ba na ti o maso tau na ti amango eti ade no
ya jiwa ye
and that is what NDC is doing. We don't know say your modro no. The shots that are coming.
Almost shot no.
Was somewhere. You see, now election we say no. It is pure policy and programs based election.
Okay.
And NDC MPP as usual. Candidates who the Ghanaians will trust. Any why and all superior policy me kotoaba
now are you sure people are going into the policies you are putting out?
I'm telling you,
among for 8 years
from the NPP point of view research. NDC near where typical NDC don't say will vote for NDC, not 2 ways about it. NPP near typical NPP George Upon will vote for NPP, not 2 ways about it. If we are, there are some people be no your friend Omanhene otena na konwa mu anu ahwa afi ohwe nkrofu bi ahwa policy no de buy am hwe be bo am me a businessman also be introduced to flat rate say there will be predictability in my cost of billing, my cost of doing business. It is a balance a 40-liter container of engines a year 30,000 and I know for the year and 30,000 there's no dollar increment be ever affect me.
It's a dollar and cost
no interest rate near 20%. I know I can go 4-5 times with this money. I will make this amount of money. I can defray my loan and the interest and I will still make this. There will be planning, predictability. Remember flat rate. When it comes to tax amnesty, you started for fraud. Will be our flat rate, say 10%, everybody pays 10% according to your earnings. Then I sit down and realize policy way and never boame. Na matumaba. Safono are the target of this election. And the youth first time voters and there were no better anymore say a brand of bonus saying me go school and me me business. Which of the policies of these parties and the Matwaba Sergeants one election any those in the middle class are they analyze issues before they vote. Remember free consultation.
And you think it's in your favor?
I'm telling you, you see, it is not
2 minutes.
It is not enough for you to say Ghana any civilized country to say
developed.
Yeah, that's good word. Yeah, I think developed country. And to say US, Canada, near the Adena, and can his excellency your mama, and can election we say quarter 30% and Kabema.
Hey,
I'm telling you because you know why. Omono and I know CNN Biden call acquire CNN debate or floppy. It took the Democrats to tell him say must step down for somebody to take over. You can't do that. And Kaokachre say Abraham Hammer 2015 and outlaw Okada say and young man in Yajuma Okurumo. Now he is promising to legalize Okada, which is flip flop. He told us ex Gracia of our become And Matipebuka said demonstrate good faith. Asogri hina ebi. Enti wonso for Ade Akye, he told him he's silly. Those people who analyze and say you don't believe in your own statement. He told the people, Sergeant, that 111, you don't need district hospital in every district. Now he's saying me ba met was why you that's a flip flop. They will say you are not serious person. You told the people say implementation of free SHS for the wholesale, you know, and you're proper. Then you're targeting because we'll be waiting to any school fees, escafoe and all that. And you come to say, oh, by a free tuition fee for first years across board without targeting. So you don't believe in your own assertion that you did in the previous. So those people who analyze and say, oh, you cannot be trusted. You told the people, say 4 years is not enough for any government to do any meaningful job. Now you are telling the people 4 years is enough. You
it's not about the. He says it's not about the number of years.
Yes, so the people will say that you don't have principle. Lancashire exams, you said it is policy and it has come to stay. The implementation. Oh, the vice president. No. Hold on. It is.
It had nothing to do.
Listen. Lancashire exams was implemented when? Not 2015.
There be.
I'm telling you.
Was to be.
That is it.
After 2016.
So
the statement was licensure exam 2016 to be implemented.
And it is a government policy.
It's a government policy.
And now you are saying you are going to scrap that.
Now he says he will scrap that policy there and reintroduce it together with their final year exams.
So when you reintroduce to the final year exams,
licensure exams,
you don't go out and come and write again. Nobody does that. Nurses don't do that. Doctors don't do that.
You see,
lawyers don't even do that.
You see, profession be a work room here. Profession as we speak today, do teachers write professional exams? What do you call it? The Lancashire exams at the end of the attendance.
They don't.
So how would they? How would they? Now when the policy came, there were teachers, about thousands of teachers in the system who did not write any professional exams. So they are writing.
Hold it there for me. I'll come back to you. So the first clinic was Africa Hanomo. Na ye dwumadi a ye die ne se ye de ayarehwe ebremontino sese ho na frɛ number we sambre me no ka se ye wo Johannesburg ye beko Swaziland ye free hono a ye beko Zimbabwe across South Africa 21 days treatment ye de ayarehwe ye sciatica Africa tono eba ye di dwuma na ye hye 21st August ye be we 10th and to WhatsApp line here 0244 915-116 0244-915-116 Future will see ya bra with the Ashford toothbrushes any Afrifresh herbal toothpaste and yes adwumano uko dwaswa Posego Lane Ebo Fibo Ventures no atondoso po na atobako ho 0535 452263 0535 452263 This is Boris B chicken, a chicken of a class. BBC Ghana heya efiakoko ye womo kun womo ema nipa we mo bia kasampa full chicken, thigh, wings, breast, fillet, gizzard layers. Ye wo broiler and ye wo layers wo e halal tibini akremoni uwe bia ye of the ope bia o de ope articulator makra BBC ye wo nkosia so aye ton enti wa wo ye nkosia ho adwuma ye nkosia so papa ka hwen na frɛ 05 444 344 53 05 344 53 Shell Body Junction Oka Joso Council SG Mall Top High Tech Poku Trade na Dum Bantuma High Street any press within Shanimu aso dano aso aseba kana Santa's roundabout so 3 Herbal Center Coco Nado Crowa, we have 3A co capsules. Obiaja Tumum, 3A co capsules, waist pains, pals, Coco Nasiasi, Afe and Kambaba, et to me a day, and Juma, na a year I am Timusu Friho, 3A co capsules, Papebi 0546 107 107, Obo Heba Medical Research Center, Wakuma Bo Peri palpitation, Afe wa betri ene Wokoya Wuya. Obuana anxiety, high blood pressure, when you're angina, your friend heart pains, when you're migraine, chronic headaches, and I say the beer so what brew when you brew, and only obo ba ye be hwehwe mu kama enkran Kaso official town ye wo ye wado ato adumani wo Kumase ena nkransa ye headquarters Adeshman ye adwira kwan so frɛ 0249 761508 0249 761508 and 0257 472506 0257 472506 kai say ye de preka powder ena odin herbal bitters ebo adwuma we yam kro ni nyinara Dimpa Natural Health be here free ho Dimpa Natural Health Clinic eno an say wa bomb modern copy ho second floor Wallace Towers mensia kwan so de chem so ayam kro na abeto amo ani subriwo udidi ase obofron ase enyamu ye oda wona na akoma no so bo periperi nyina no ka ho for ni kire Dimpa Natural Clinic. Number is 0245 1184 34 0245 1184 34 and 0246 744 744. Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, Yas total care and no and ebeyin kikawa wo se ase nyinara asanso so amantokro na free ho afei nya your friend cavities no ntokro ene kaka ni nyinara ebe treat tit no kama white ne so mo anum da ma osene fita na heba no so ama strong tita ukodwa so a busade Yas total care Yas whitening toothpaste and Yas heba afei heba mixture pa timi ko atridi ni de me kamfo time heba mixture TIME time herbal mixture. Yeah, the time HH mixture ba. And no ma won komwa immune system no boosted. And into ya de yiritia and sansa go be ma ho wo ba ho no na ye free ho. We ya time herbal mixture. Emma general bodily pains. Na emma loss of appetite na free ho. Na HH so ama komwa ho ya din na kono. Wo ka bo mu ya got to go man. 0244 417669 0244 417669. Tony Sack Electronics. And now I say promo I say Tony Sack say was send promo na say midweek promo na ya de bano de biano and they de ka yitia wa wo de an say mega promo no ya sase na oba ye chow hag no discount yeah hag discount na ye we ya some additional gift unya ne bebia enti Kumasi showrooms ni sunya ne Coco Runabout one we dey oedim hwanimu ena Kumasi so showroom no Melcom dankese no can pick and pay traffic light na se wona no ene ndi hwanimu bra na yenye jew so na niema na yatete suhu no eniti ne ato di mega for 0500309309 TVs, fridges, air conditioners, blenders, microwave ovens, kettles, home theaters, electric irons. 0500309309. Ape give us P capsules. Rashi say gugu onom ni ade pre mature ejaculation. Bema de also CPC tao. Now kobo 2 minutes. Ugu meme nyina ni mo ase. Also utimi bo match no me ye come for. Ujonsa utimi say what pepepe wo bemem. Eye urination no. Ya. And also so and a co capsules ebabeyi o sisimu flames ni na o to me say o numa o kwa ahro no say eyi tuto WC ni mu ano no waste pains no so be free ho ebe shi koko na se herbal mixture no so typhoid, jaundice, malaria, any loss of appetite, also boost your immune system. And we give us herbal mixture. Afe GC no so say them kind of rashes no and the money na be free ho for 0543 222-470 0543 222-470. Kanjin and magic drinking water. Mr. So Tony actual kanjin and yeah no and magic kaho and I 8.5 alkaline water. Oto Welbeck ne kaye. Say nipadua bia ewo alkaline presence no. Yade ntumintem. Demo my acid dia do sopu yade no. And then we extra way. Now when you are no crown, nom kangen. The Abayan say, pressure aduro no diabetes aduro no a wode ka engine na enom no ebeduru me bi no na afei insulin na efome enye aduro eyensuo na minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium ewo mu ntino eno a boost immune system a eko yadewa wo nipadiem eno nti the magic water obi agi atuma obi enum bie no eye kangen na ema wo wrinkle esa so hydrate to da bia nsuo wo ho sounds so and a antioxidant eti ema udwonso eyi acid eti obi a wo heartburns pa no nom kangen na obedi adanse Brema UGC Tafuni Road Abawa Route to Johnson 0241 449191 0241 449191 Image Scientific Stroke fertility any chronic disease I know I'm not a doctor and I'm not a doctor or dear friend in Chechemu papa diagnostic machine friend MRI the highest form of MRI no ebe dosopo nipadua nim nyina na sa maw e kwan obefa so a ebe tu ase come on rush to Amen for the best and holistic medical treatment yawa atwema tachima kwada so kwan so ye number no e 0277 001234 0277 001234 and 0241 367341 0241 367341 Liberty Conference food for thought in conjunction with Omanhene Ministries Miami Liberty Conference jumedie no e baso memene da no pa na be hu awrade tumi na many ye ene ahoden a awrade na dom na ko ase won fa wo je ne fa hodie mre ne ma I get the coffee pipra eba adwumade na se kwaku jesi be kunyuma mai Minister Kwame Jedu 31st of August memle de ya anopa no nsia ahefa Jubilee Park se opeso obu adwumade ya seed line here 0249 640 993 0249 640 993 Maranatha adwumade no ekoso Miracle Convention 2024 increase Psalm 115 verse 14 Apostle D.O. Osei Kwabena Dr. Emmanuel Osei Kwabena Apostle D.O. Donko or Jumedina say Dr. Lawrence Tete Bishop Dr. Elvis Kessie from Obuasi Reverend Joseph Jima Santemi Papana Muneti Ejemwa Watun Safren Nyamie Kuku Dami se one for Jie Emre Waprano Yeshasia Juada Anopa Nonkron na enwumre no num pa mu ene anopa ya ebo donkron ya me no kasa ya no empai bo hye so den Miracle Maranatha Miracle Center Ebensnet Adum ene wo Ghana Commercial Bank Danachi pe wo sane a wo de call passport office anasa wo de call regional office meka national service no sa asie ho no na no e ho ne wo ka ho ebrei na ebehu awrade amane ye ne na hoden na bibia anya dai entodin enfamao samre de mami go for say ni honomo na the time as I have with me 9:11 anontino mami mau 6 minutes yes my brother
if the election
please let me have the birthdays quickly
so election is about the middle class the business community and
the first time voters.
And the first time voters are. And I mean, you say, until MPP for because because now it's not looking good for him.
MPP for?
Yes.
Even
up till now, they still want to change him.
Hey!
Because Nkoye mama. Because Nipana, more than a campaign.
And I'm on to Nkoye mama. When you Nkoye papa.
Biara, so Nkoye, meet the press or call floppy. It's not looking good for them because sad business community any middle class most of them are contractors and businessmen
that's right
no to cement under NDC 27 cedis and the cement to corona 117 cedis nipa will say ombeto abama baumia no abeye chairman of economic management team or this cement me atena how much cement free 27 cities I could do 117 cities.
Here na to cement 117.
But so won to be sana beba.
Here na to.
Me so won to be sana beba. Man come as some minutes. Who got tell some we dey chemu free.
Ajo ba na so aka be ya so to we dey le why.
Omanhene. Those are the people complaining no. Onu ana oto na me kire say akoko
sre box na ye tonu 160 cedis o and na ye 430 cedis ebro na ye tonu o me constituency 250 per 50 kilo bag 250 no and na ebro ni na almost 40 million 50 kilo bag krona o dollar as at 2016 kura ye free abem ye hand over mamu 7 January
4.3
no we yan for 4.3 no kura Jono no buy ya o se wa chi dollar de na kwahye prison no ele dollar ne nanam 16 cedis
16
we see sanipa we businessman nsan koto abama no okopota no kle sa matis no then times no ye kle bi 8,000 it be 9,000 it be 7,000 and now be kle matis and nam 30,000 35,000 matis Toyota matis dawu matis ene bibi ene nam no o se sankrofo we san beto abama nipa we eje ka sankrofo no kra de akaba no kamo nka ho ejira na omo advice mo se nka mo fa kani de Japan mra na ka on de nka ye ma no 40 bi kra na onko twen kakra na joma ma wie bakofo ba umia ba po bia obako bia ontimi kra ntra 37 hu post ayaya wo Ghana ha ba umia tra 40% da bakokra ni wa obenya. Because the people they are talking to are the middle class now, any Gen Z for no. Now Kolaya Musima Momu free SHS, and you are onye bindi. We call a system classmate schoolmates biomo. Because form 2 for corner, not form 1 for 140 feet. Form 1 for no babano, not form 3 for co. It is a schoolmate, Pamaka so, na mi senior near the Ebini Hobium. Ebini Hobium, Obi any senior. Just say, we have a corner we coffee. We be bana we kofi nti we nim say we kra me na ko school nti system ma nkruma building yes we should amalgamate, we should mix up so that be ya china me ban senior omo ko prempene we was there numbers ni senior no na mo de na mo nti na obi wo best form 1 kra na obi wo 6 form nti ono no be wie sa 6 form na so baba be wie form 3 na form 3 ni ye adwuma.
And then you know, all right, honorable, Mammy Tail was way.
This is one like I say, election, no. So everything is regular there. I don't know, more be more sing Ketia say more casse, Sebo, Abraham, one who's behind now. Say, Sana Muhun there. Who said this in Libya, Dintinian to Abantia. NPPA dokono boaye den menkin boaye den ba aduane sam nko a
what shall we live by
omu wia na wa
aduane sam na gade no
nko na confirm na ho chese mo de mu wia se amobaye no se oman ye adwene ahwe kan se obi wodrobon so wo betimi aka no anti snake I know
venom no
enti yemfa ekwan ye befa so a entem so a obetimi anya aduro ni bi na ba omi ade adwena ba o se eni yemfa drone e ba ya emergency call omo place ya pa na
drone se e de aduro no call edua so
o de nyamotre
chips compound na ka drone
he said himself
chip compound na be kan wasem oko drop so this when was the last time you visited there?
Oh, that's on the honor
me chese
that's how much the hospital
me be na me
but it's not a hospital almost dying.
Look at this we see
almost dying
President Messi University of Ghana Medical Center and no claim say more dia grant say more dia no mumbu say equipment na go see and then the SCC
no there was everything
afa ude
the more people training
STEM say you say science, technology, engineering, mathematics nam yentimi compete with the foreign world you share digital economy digital world na we asese dey we ase call baby and ye bi addressing system and all that no enya this for baby o mo ni hwe no building infrastructures road and net drip on said drop on so mo dey na ba
And do I drip machines I there ya kwan e kwan bia yes ye twa bia
Ghana for the buy.
University of Medical Kumasi Kenya asem na msi you see these people are so inconsistent just like their president just like their flag bearer so inconsistent say ene omuni principle ade a omugina ma say we eni egina ho ma omuni bi so omote say ye say ade we okay say teachers 2015 President Kofode incentive by teachers and nurses now with me car below 2.0 capacity and they make kwabre assembly members are now not less than half of them the to be my or more money teachers and nurses. I bought it for them. Sir and then when I became 31st December 2015. That was the last car I buy me quite near as a president trip. And now say I feel the oko when imba with you artist and Crawford say or manage home what to say a president a vice president Mahmoud Bawumia can say obey incentivize or more obey mobiles odimnika me so me ba me mama free one vehicle free. You see, you don't stand for
that's a listening president.
You don't stand for anything
what the people want.
You don't stand for anything. Adia ogidi say eye ene oktie ka galamse asem oso oba obi a even watu galamse mrakred na tun obeyi na free prison. You don't stand for anything. Enti abanya uni enyina so uni mudie uni conviction uni program uni policy the obete samanfo kan ye na azudim dika no akoka bi otis wo mo ka we no akoka bi and then mosem be 24-hour economy the 24-hour economy na mosem de beje Ghana no the aya ne say ya de be disco ya de akọ night club na we ko set de aya say mo say form na 133 to we ko de anopa de na area
be manufacturing sector
tech dabi in the club say club in the ko adwuma ba be club e do we ko anopa de na area na
manufacturing
you see such a whole policies and you bring all these things and you want Ghanaians to vote for you to be president.
Yes,
it can never happen.
All right,
I don't think I'm more prepared grounds for your defeat.
Thank you. Let me do my birthdays here with you. I'll not pay Mrs. Olivia Amoating or Canada, Oakville. Na Ottawa, Hima, Odawa or Ottawa. I'm can say Ottawa. Mama say wa Canada say Ottawa, Ottawa. I'm can Ottawa. Mama say wa Ottawa, on Ottawa Hima. Also ma utrim kwa papa Mrs. Olivia Martin and kids and teens then come back kids and teens Regina so this sister Penny and to Mrs. Olivia Martin of Canada Oakville. This is coming from your sisters Mami Sewa Ottawa Hima Anna Regina Kids and Teens CEO and Multi-Trust Bank CEO Omoma Utrinkwapa. And then so Reverend Father John Bernard Beecham. And then Wawoda Reverend Father Bernard Beecham. We every Godwin Hall see a Utrinkwapa Papa Busiani James Asida AJ Bafo of Yonso Project School Jamasi Portia Sewa of Aguna my lovely mother, Mami Efia Sewa Bonsu, Oba Ose Kofi Akwa. Hey, Ose Kofi. And I know Papa or the nearby now, Mami Sudieni. National Youth Organizer. Ose Kofi. CPP. Obecho. Ose na mini Hawaii. Ose ni kanya. Kachira joabo nso asiama sapon. Kwala bomudi wa. Kachira joabo nso asiama sapon. Kaneno anka register kenko. Ene computer ti yetumi boni nyina. Eno ntina atetire bo nso asiafa ni PKB osei. Koden ko register nim. O papa ye Peter Siama Sapon of Premium Passport Office Kumasi. Yama otinkwa. Abusianfo mo tie panimfo emienu. Omo de omanu di sema betudwa. Na mo de ato nsane ani enye ntokwa. De mo fi se ebeboa mo no. Na mafa. Same ya aduma 7 December dru a
na akoto aba
definitely I'm free SHS and Sunday omo ogidie wo mse ba ko ba obetwa
mo fa no mo fa free ahokyere
nka ba so so a
omo wa ba no obetwa
ajo mama ba obetwa free SHS
or the private
no be also 2 billion a on fa nya free SHS
or the private free admission price as am level 100 for
and then no betimi aye also 2 billion a on fa nya and na duru 3 billion how can you do that
money bibia ka biem
money principle
yes mo $10 no so na mo petrol so
dollar no wo kroma odi dollar
na dey di
wo kroma odi dollar udi edi Ghana
se ka so wa chene
e say manufacturers nso o mo export dollar
mo see $80
government ekowie se ekoye mama edie ekoye papa MPP ni NDC mo decide o Ghana for yakramo.
Let's get ready to.
My name is Kwesi Nyantich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport. For the thousands